Shout out Austin as well in the chat. Guinness World Record recognizes 21-year-old Florida Chihuahua as the oldest living dog. That's an old age for a dog.
Wow, yeah.
I thought Jack might like this, but he's not here.
It kind of looks like his dog.
Yeah.
A
lot more peaceful though.
You know what? I don't know about the outfit though on the right. Like the one thing about dressing up your dog has no say in the matter.
Yeah, your dog has no say in the matter in most things though.
Yeah, but this is like
Yeah, that's true.
this is like such a degrading possibility.
Oh, right.
You know what I mean?
But I guess, yeah.
It's like, okay, you try to feed your dog a balanced diet, don't you?
Right.
Okay, your dog has no say in the matter,
No.
but you don't put a...
But I get what you're saying. It's close to what his expected life would have been outside.
You try.
Yeah.
To a certain extent.
Yeah.
You have some kind of indication.
Yeah. There's no way a dog in the wild is putting this outfit on.
Well, and then there's the type of outfits you can put on which serve a purpose. Some dogs get cold. A Chihuahua gets cold. I see the dogs on the street with the shoes on.
Mm-hmm.
That's a relatively new thing to see that as much as I see it now.
I don't see it too much in Barrie.
The shoes?
I see it a lot in like Toronto.
Yeah.
But I think, and I was talking to Jack about this, and he was saying that he thinks, we agree on this, is that...
I love this setup.
Yeah.
I said, I think that he thinks that we agree on this. I'm like, what are we talking about?
The salt in the winter.
What about it?
Like the dog's paws get irritated with the stepping on the salt. So that's why people put because in Barrie, they don't use salt. There is no salt on the...
Oh,
No. They have sand.
It's an anti-salt?
Yeah, no salt. In Barrie.
Interesting.
They use sand on the sidewalks and on the road.
Yeah, maybe it's a salt. I don't know.
It makes it dirty, though, the place. It looks very... Like you're on the side of the roads, it's like very brown snow.
It could be either. Could be both.
Mm-hmm.
Could be cold. Could be wet. Could be salt. And
Could be heat.
It could be heat in certain circumstances. Or remember
they have Uggs.
Remember the story that we covered in New York when you had the actual
electricity,
electrical discharge going on? You're going to want to have some shoes around there.
Mm-hmm.
The one dropped dead over there. The dog.
Yeah.
Just boom.
Yeah, it was very upsetting.
So, but anyway, this one, I don't know. I think that one's just for looks. And it's you know what else is weird is the dog has to adopt your personality. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't really get to have its own. Like I look at the dog on the right there. Look at the face, and you go, I don't know if that's your personality. I see too much wisdom for that outfit. I feel like we need a pipe,
right?
And
little monocle or something.
The hat, you know the type of hat I'm talking about.
A top hat?
No,
the round ones with like a brim.
He knows what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
He knows what I'm talking about. Like we need like a Sherlock Holmes look over
Exactly, that's the one.
Something like that. It could be. Maybe it's just the expression. Who knows? I don't know the personality. She knows the personality. Maybe the dog grew into the outfit.
Mm-hmm.
You never know.
21 years.
And 66 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
And counting, right? Dog's still...
Dog's going.
Yeah, okay.
Dog's there. But 21 years.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like a parrot, but...
Smaller dogs tend to live longer too, right?
Yeah, I think you're right about that. I think you're right about that. And cats.
And cats, yeah.
The cats can go.
The dog's name is Toby Keith.
Has been dubbed the world's oldest dog living. I don't even know how they... That's tough. Guinness, they got to put their badge on it, but it's like, it could be some dog and...
Oh, right.
Who knows where.
Yeah.
Hanging around for a while. Yeah, 21 years. Cool, whatever. Shout out. Congrats.
Shout out.